recipe. It's the holiday season, so I decided to make some lamb roast. If you want to spend less time cooking and more time with family, so this is the best recipe, trust me. We need lamb, 2 kilo. We need rosemary, thyme, garlic, black pepper, salt, some butter, Dijon mustard, Montreal steak spice, and some olive oil. You just want to make sure that you chop the garlic just like that, and it's easier to slide it inside the holes of the meat. Whatever I'm doing right now, I did it already on the other side of the meat. So I made sure that first I marinate the meat with the salt. Good massage. Then you just want to make some holes. You can slide the garlic inside the meat, just like that, with some rosemary. It looks so pretty. So this is all done now, and we're moving on to the next step. I'm just going to add my butter. It's already melted. Look at that, so beautiful. You just want to make sure it goes inside the holes as well. So that's done. Now we're moving on to the black pepper. We're not adding too much spices on this because we don't want to overpower the meat. Montreal steak spice. So this is Dijon mustard. The Dijon mustard gives a very nice flavor, so don't be shy to add as much as you want. Now I'm going to flip this and put the mustard to the other side as well. So it's almost ready to bake. I'm gonna show you guys what I did before baking it, because I'm going to make gravy. So I made sure I have some veggies, onions, and garlic, get the good stuff. So after that, I'll make it as a gravy sauce. Now we're going to transfer the meat. We are adding some thyme for a nice flavor and smell. You can put it here, or you can put it straight here to bake, just for the nice smell. That there we go. So it's ready to bake. the gravy, I put some butter. Let it melt a bit. Alright, so I'm going to make the gravy, and I have my juice ready, but I'm not going to put the mushrooms. I'm just gonna set them aside. The mushrooms and potatoes, I'm not going to mash them. You don't have to take off all the potatoes. You can keep some for the mashing. It's gonna add some nice flavor to the gravy. Okay, so you got some onions here, you got some garlic, some batata, and we're going to mash them. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but trust me, the lamb juice will mix with the potatoes and onions and garlic, and you will love the flavor. We're going to add a little water. And we're going to strain them. Butter is already melted, and you're putting this over the butter. I switch over to a bigger pot, and I'm going to strain the rest. Make sure you get all the good juice. You don't want to waste this. And make sure you have a very soft spatula. It's easier to work with. So now you're mixing everything together, and the thickness, I really love it. I was going to add some flour, but I'm not going to. Keep it as it is. So there you go. You have your gravy. I'm going to taste the sauce. I kid you not, this sauce is amazing. I can just drink this. Try this for you guys. Like, it looks amazing and smells so good. It's really nice, and I have my gravy right here, so yum. You guys, you have to try this. It's so tasty, it's so tender. Love, love, love this recipe. You have to try it. I wish you guys all the best and happy holidays. See you guys until next year. Bye bye.